Hello. At Filings Corner, we specialize in ISO 27001:2013 certification, helping organizations protect sensitive information, reduce security risks, and ensure compliance with global standards. Our expert team of chartered accountants, CAs, company secretaries, CSs, advocates, and MBAs provides seamless end-to-end certification support tailored to your business needs. What is ISO 27001:2013? ISO 27001:2013 is an internationally recognized standard for information security management systems, ISMS. It provides a structured approach to identifying, managing, and mitigating information security risks, ensuring data confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Who needs ISO 27001:2013 certification? ISO 27001:2013. Certification is crucial for businesses handling sensitive data, including IT and software companies, protect client data and intellectual property financial institutions, safeguard sensitive financial transactions, healthcare providers, secure patient records and medical data e-commerce platforms, prevent breaches in customer payment systems, government agencies, maintain secure public information systems, manufacturers and logistics, protect operational and proprietary data, educational institutions, secure student and research data. Key benefits of ISO 27001:2013 certification. Here's why ISO 27001:2013 certification is vital for your business. Enhance data security, minimize cyber risks and data breaches. Regulatory compliance, meet GDPR, IT Act, RBI, and other security laws. Risk mitigation, proactively identify and reduce security vulnerabilities. Customer and stakeholder trust. Demonstrate commitment to security best practices. Competitive advantage. Gain market credibility in the digital economy. Operational efficiency. Streamline security policies and procedures. Our ISO 27001:2013 certification services. The process to ISO 27001:2013 certification is straightforward with Filings Corner. 1. Schedule a consultation. Discuss your business security needs. 2. Initial assessment. Identify gaps in your existing security frameworks. 3. Document submission. Provide necessary compliance records. 4. Certification audit. Conduct a formal risk and security compliance check. 5. Certification issuance. Receive your official ISO 27001:2013 certificate. Documents required for ISO 27001:2013 certification. For IT and software companies, business registration, GST MSME, information security policies and controls, risk assessment and vulnerability reports, incident response and data recovery plans. For financial institutions, information security policies and compliance reports, data encryption and secure transaction records, IT infrastructure and cybersecurity audit logs. For healthcare and e-commerce businesses, patient customer data protection policies, access control and encryption mechanisms, records of security training and incident response logs. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. 1. Is ISO 27001:2013 mandatory? Not legally required, but essential for businesses handling sensitive data. 2. How long does certification take? It depends on your organization's size and security measures, typically completed as per project needs. Call to action, empowering close. Contact us now or visit filingscorner.com to start your ISO 27001:2013 certification journey. Let's ensure data security, risk management, and compliance together.